Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy connects on Upwork for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delays, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your upwork.com. Go ahead, simply log in or sign up if you haven't. So otherwise log in, get logged in. As soon as you have logged in, you will find this little profile icon on the right side of your profile. Now, once you have found the particular profile icon, go ahead, tap on it, and then you will find this option of connects. Go ahead, tap on it. As soon as you've done that, you will find this option of buy connects. Now, previously you could actually get free connects option on Upwork itself. Now it simply charges you. Now you can tap on it and you can simply choose the cheapest rate for it and add in the referral code for some. You might get some discount within it and simply buy connects. That is the only option. You might have to wait for some Upwork their own, some services coming out with a discount itself. That is the only option available right now. Otherwise, you just simply have to purchase the connects on Upwork itself. So get the cheapest one to save more money. Otherwise, this is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.